unboxing the iPad Pro. So right over here, I have the iPad Pro 11-inch, and I have the iPad Pro 11-inch's Magic Keyboard. We're going to be looking at the AirPods Pro soon. I'm back at my unboxing table. Then we have the iPad Pro 12.9-inch. These all have Wi-Fi plus cellular and are on 256 gigabyte configurations, and we're going to look at them and see which one's the best. Welcome back. Let's get started with the unboxing. I think we should unbox the 12.9-inch first. I'm so excited to unbox this. I'm literally shaking right now if you can see me. So let's get started unboxing this iPad. It has this really nice pull tab right here, and it lets me just open it up. Yeah, I just have to let the sound safe and stuff. Or not, because I broke the plastic. On the count of 3, let's open this up. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's get this thing open. 1, 2, 3. So, this iPad Pro is really exciting. This is a 12.9-inch, and I haven't even opened it up, and it's just amazing. And I haven't even opened it up. So, let's get this thing on with, right? So, opening it up, oh my gosh! It is open. This is beautiful! So thin, light. I've literally never seen something this beautiful, even though I was at the Apple event when this was released. And let's see what else is in this box. Designed by Apple for California. In California, Apple stickers. Beautiful iPad Pro. We'll look at these later. We have this beautiful USB-C brick. We have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So let's turn this on. It's on. Let's see. This is a giant screen. And based on what I'm seeing, the back is catching a lot of fingerprints. And the front. Hello. It's open. So in the meantime, let's unbox the other iPad Pro. Let's get it open. So for this one, I have the iPad Pro 11-inch and the Magic Keyboard. We couldn't get the Magic Keyboard for the 12.9-inch and the Apple Pencil, but they will be coming soon. So let's get this unboxed. Now that we've done it. Oh, this is nice. Now that, and I've broken it again. Just tear it like off the. So, after some hard work trying to get this box open, wasn't working at all. We finally have it in a state where we can get it open. Let's get this box open. Or not. Doesn't look like it wants to get off. Okay, so after some more trying to get the box off, it's finally off. Okay, so let's get this thing open. Let's move this keyboard aside. Probably should have put that in there. And let's get this. Oh wow. It's a lot smaller, the 11-inch. Okay. I'm kind of liking the 11-inch better. Okay, it's not coming out. Now it's coming out. I like the 11-inch, but it's so weirdly. I don't like it. But I kind of do. Let's turn this bad boy on. Maybe, if it wants to turn on. Now it's on. Cool. Let's get this on. And just like that, is there anything different in the box? You have this really nice USB-C charger, cable, and designed by Apple pamphlet. Take a look at what else is in it in a little bit. So let's turn it it on now, and it's ready. So while that happens, let's put our iPad aside for a little bit and let's unbox the Magic Keyboard. So opening up the Magic Keyboard is super-ish quick and nice. It's a really nice paper box. And open this up. Opening it up, this opens a lot easier than other boxes. Yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, you can really feel how well it's built. Another little design by Apple pamphlet, as you can see here. Fit in the back like this. Let's keep this right here. I'll drop this here. And this is our little case. Ish. It feels very premium. Very heavy, sturdy. Oh, the keys? They're beyond anything. So after using the iPad for almost a week, I've come to this consensus. The iPad is a really amazing computer and a tablet. Using it with the Magic Keyboard is so fast, simple, easy, and it makes using an iPad a totally different experience than what you're usually used to. Apple Pencil support is amazing, and then just how fast and fluid the screen is, just moving around on the screen makes it such an amazing experience. Both sizes I think are really nice, but using it with the Magic Keyboard, I think that people should use the bigger size, the 12.9-inch size. And if you get it on Apple's refurbished store, so just scroll all the way down their website, they have pretty good discounts. And every so often, they throw it onto their refurbished discount, especially for students. It's not refurbished, but you can get a pair of free earbuds and a pretty big discount on it. Yeah, so just a few things that I'm not the biggest fan of. The charger's super short. Apple should have probably given a way bigger charger. It's an extra $19 for a 2-meter charger. 1 meter and 2 meter are the same price for some reason. But I really suggest doing that or online on Amazon, just getting a USB-C charging cable. It'll make your life a lot easier. And then just with all these accessories that we have, the Magic Keyboard's a must-have, especially for the 12.9-inch size. It's just looking at the box, it's giant. So you need to have the Magic Keyboard to really use it well. So that's what I think. Tell me what you guys think in the comments below. Be sure to like this video. It helps out so much. Spent over a week putting this together. Check out my website. Make sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.